What is going on, guys? Welcome back. I have another Boker, and this is a very small knife. This was loaned in from Alex. No, the other Alex. Alex from the channel Alex's Knives and Such, where the Such stands for EDC gear. So go check him out. There will be a link down below to his channel. Very, very small channel that's growing. He's got like 185 subscribers as of the time I'm filming this. So go give him a look and see if you can build him up. Right? He got some cool stuff, and hey, go check him out. I'll put a link down below. So he lent me in this Boker sub, which is a Blade Ops exclusive. It runs in at about $55. And it's very freaking small. Okay? It's it's small. I can't lie. I mean, here's the ProTech Runt. And I'll do size comparisons towards the end again, like normal, right? But I don't know. Let's just do some size comparisons now at the beginning, and then we'll talk about the specs. How about that? Okay? So it is automatic. It is sub 2 inches. So it will be California legal. Okay, the blade is 1.951. The clip is rather big, so let's do it this way for the size comparisons. This is the Runt 5 in CPM 20CV versus S30V. Take your pick. Both very cool. Both fit in your little watch pocket, your coin pocket, or your fifth pocket, regardless of what you want to call it, on your jeans, if you're into that sort of a carry. So yeah, it's thicker in the hand than the ProTech, but it has a big clip that's a little awkward in the hand for me. This one I think works better in the hand for me, actually. Okay, so I did bring out a couple of other Bokers, just because. So here's the mini Desert Warrior. And you guys can hate all you want. Okay? It's a good comparison. I don't know what to tell you. Okay? What's interesting to me, and I didn't realize it until I pulled out my Desert Warriors, is that this handle is actually bigger. I mean, it's shorter, but it's taller. So if we trade it with the full-size Desert, now it's the same size in, height, if you will, right? Whereas the mini Desert Warrior is just literally minier all the way around, just shrunk down. The sub is just short. So it's not smaller, it's just short. Just stubby, which works. So you get a good purchase in your hand with the bigger ones. Again, the pocket clips are kind of, it's a Boker thing. So I don't know what I like better. If I like this, bigger, chunkier grip, or if it should have been kind of a smaller, daintier grip. I don't know. What I do know is that Blade HQ needs to make a Desert Warrior in the sub size. So if you see one, it's because of me. Just saying. I don't think I've ever heard anybody else say that, but Blade HQ, you need one in the sub size. Just saying. Okay? Alright, so enough of that. Don't leave me a bunch of hate comments. Okay? You either love it or you hate the donut knife. I don't care. I like them. So there you go. It's my channel, and I'll do what I want. Boom. Okay, enough of the commentary. Let's get down to the specs. 2 7/8 closed. 4 3/4 overall, just a touch over. 1.951 blade length, so it is California legal. The edge is 1.76 S30V. 0.115 blade thickness. Overall thickness is 0.538. That does not include the clip. And it weighs in at 2.4 ounces. So, great steel. Better than the, what are these? OS 8. So way better than your typical Bokers that are in OS 8. Some I think are in D2 maybe. So S30V is really great to have on these. I kind of wish that Boker would step it up and move away from the OS 8. But yeah, for $50 to get S30V in a nice compact package like this is pretty good. I don't love the fit in my hand. I don't know. It's a little odd to me. It's a small knife that's trying to be big, maybe. Whereas the Runt, it's a small knife, and it just fits. It's in its place, if you will. It fits in the small knife world. The Boker Sub is just trying to be a short, big knife. It's hard to explain, but it's just a little odd in my hand. So anybody that has one, please comment down below, because I'm very interested to hear your explanation on how it fits. Okay, it works great in and out of the pocket. I don't love the ripply pocket clips that Boker makes, but they work. They're just odd. So yeah. Okay, let's do a couple of just standard size comparisons here so you get an idea with the typical knives. Here it is with the Sharpie. Let's do a different Delica. So I've got this Knife Joy exclusive. Since we're doing exclusives here, we'd do the Knife Joy exclusive Damascus bladed Delica. And we did the Boker already, or the donut knife already, but we'll do the mini again. It's Blade HQ exclusive, so it's a kind of exclusive size comparisons. We did the Runt, but here you go. Okay, it's just overall a little shorter than the Runt, but I gotta say I kind of like the Runt better. I don't like either of them, quite honestly. Here's another small knife that I have out. The CJRB Mylea from Swag's design, which is also dirty. I need to clean that one. And then some normal size knives. We've got the Kuby Kb237. Okay, really quickly there. And how about, well, here's another small one on the small side. The small Honey Badger. I think this is the small. I get confused all the time. Might be the medium, but I think that's the small. Honey Badger. And just because, how about the Hellraiser P-Series? Oops, kind of off the side here a little bit. How about there? Sometimes I'm not looking into the face of the camera because it's kind of up here looking straight down, and I'm kind of back here looking at an angle, so sometimes that's why you'll see things maybe go off screen, because I'm looking down at the actual product, not necessarily always through the screen of my iPhone, because I film on an iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, well, we've talked about that before. So sometimes I'm just looking straight at the product and not so much in the screen, but you guys get it. So there you go. Alex, thanks for sending this in, plus all the other stuff, which was very cool. And just as a note, he sent goodies in his unboxing. Well, in the box, there was candies and treats and things like that. So just, anybody that's loaning stuff in, I do like treats. So just saying. Okay, there you go. All right, guys, enough of that. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have yourselves a fantastic day, and we will see you tomorrow. Please come back. Thanks, guys.